faire le leader avec moi.
And then he said, well, stop doing the leader with me.
Mon autre ami, viens en formation
And
avec
my
moi.
other friend, I was telling him, come with the
Nassim,
training.
gère ton équipe.
No, do your own
Et à
stuff,
cette époque, je voulais
Nassim.
arrêter ACL.
And then at that time,
Imaginez.
I was about to quit. I was
Pour
thinking,
une seule raison.
one reason,
J'étais focusé sur l'équipe
I
que
was
j'avais.
focused on this team.
Et
One
j'avais
reason.
oublié l'opportunité qu'il y avait 500 millions de personnes en
Because
Europe
I
qui pouvaient faire
forgot
ACL.
that there were 500 million people in Europe.
Et le jour où j'ai compris ces deux choses,
And when I understood those two things,
la phase 1 et le tap routine,
phase one and tap routine,
plus rien n'allait m'arrêter.
nothing could stop me.
Arrivé dans un état d'esprit,
Because I had this mindset
depuis à ce moment-là,
that at
la
that
seule phrase,
time,
qui c'est qui va avoir la chance de me rencontrer aujourd'hui?
only phase I had. Who is going to be
Dans
lucky enough to
26
meet me?
pays, 4 continents.
And all the 4 continents.
On a la chance d'avoir aujourd'hui une opportunité qui permet, avec notre smartphone,
We have this type of opportunity
simplement
that
poser
with
des
your
questions aux gens.
phone, you can ask questions.
3 questions.
3 questions.
ça.
Very simple.
Et aujourd'hui, c'est le concept et le modèle économique d'ACL.
And that's the concept that
Juste
we have
avec votre
this
smartphone.
year. Just with your phone. Just
Tu veux
with
gagner
your
de l'argent
phone.
avec ça?
Would you like to make money with this phone?
Tu veux avoir ton service gratuit, plus payer ta facture.
Would you like to have free service?
Tu connais des gens qui veulent ne plus payer de facture.
Do you know people who don't want to pay their
Aimerais-tu
bills
gagner des
anymore?
compléments de revenus?
Would you like to have
As-tu une rente?
Do you have
I don't know.
income?
Est-ce que t'as
I
l'heure?
don't know.
Speak.
Well, just
Phase
talk
one
to
is just
people.
speak.
Parlez aux gens.
Et lorsque vous allez avoir un nouveau partenaire et des nouveaux clients,
And when you have a new partner and you have new
vous avez une
customers,
magnifique formation d'Amel Mokhtar dans le tap
and you
routine.
have such a beautiful training
La
of
phase
Ahmed
1.
Mokhtar.
Who do you
Phase
know?
one. Phase one.
Si
Who
tu
do you
connais,
know?
si
Qui
tu connais
connais-tu?
phase
Qui connais-tu?
1, c'est simplement juste une phrase. Rita,
There's
you know
only
Rita?
one phrase.
Rita is my best friend.
Rita, one of the best.
Recruiting is the answer. Recruiting is the answer.
Recruter, c'est la
When you
réponse.
have many questions, recruiting is the answer.
Recruter, c'est la réponse.
Your business is not grow.
And then,
Phase one.
et votre business va s'envoler.
Qui
Si
va avoir la
vous voulez
chance?
vraiment la phase 1, vous allez avoir vous.
Et
allez
derrière,
s'envoler.
le momentum que j'ai eu par la suite, qui m'a permis de comprendre une chose. Lead by example.
It's going to show the example. Lead
Like
by
petrol.
example.
Find one, tap routine, petrol. Boom.
Just
Okay.
turning it on.
Look now.
Regardez bien.
En Europe, on a tous
In
cette prime de
Europe,
démarrage.
we all have this.
ACN, depuis le 1er janvier, a mis un plan de rémunération
You have
extraordinaire.
this starting bonus.
Ça fait 11 ans
And
que j'attends ça.
This, you know,
Il y a-
this marketing plan, 11 years. I've been waiting for this marketing plan that we have.
Sorry, because we're on diesel. Ça, concrètement, si vous êtes aujourd'hui sécu,
If
il
you
y a
are
11 ans,
11 years ago,
if you make 10 points,
if you had 10
2
points
seconds, you
and
don't make
2
money.
seconds, you
Zero
are not
euros.
making money. Zero.
Ok. If
So
you are-
today,
si vous étiez un ancien représentant,
if you are an old
0
rep,
euros.
you
Vous avez
make,
tous la chance
you make no
À
money
temps
if you
partiel.
are an old rep doing 10 CQ,
d'être un sécu
10 customers
qui
and
démarre à
having
sec,
2 CQs, but
qui
now
fait
you
juste la
start
technique de
ACM
démarrage.
and you become CQ and you have 2 new CQs and then you are going to make 4
juste pour avoir fait cet effort,
And just because you did that at the beginning,
de se retrouver le lundi matin à la machine à café
the next Monday morning at the coffee machine,
et n'importe quelle personne à qui vous avez présenté la scène,
and anybody you presented ACN to,
attitude et exemple.
you have to have the attitude. Vous devez avoir l'attitude. Vous devez montrer l'exemple.
Moi, lorsqu'on était le lundi matin, je payais mon café à mes collègues.
You
Pourquoi?
know what I did? Monday morning, I was paying coffee to my colleague. You know
Imagine
why?
t'es sécu, tu viens de gagner 450 € un lundi.
Because I made my ETT, I was secure, and I had my 2 secures, and I made 450 in the month.
Tu n'es pas millionnaire,
You are not millionaire.
mais juste une phrase.
But one phrase.
Oh, à temps partiel, je viens de gagner 500 €
Well,
ce
you
lundi.
know, part time I made 450.
Toi, comment
Monday.
t'as fait?
How
Juste
did you
avec
do
ça.
that? Well, just this is
Si vous
right.
êtes UTL, vous gagnez aussi. Si vous êtes régional directeur, vous gagnez également. Aujourd'hui, moi, je vais juste vous parler d'une chose qui est importante parce que les 4
Something
phases,
I really want to share
retient une
with
seule
you.
chose
It's
qui
so
nous permet.
important because these
Lorsqu'on est en
four
phase 1, c'est une question de mindset et de
it's just a
conviction.
question of
Et
mindset
ça,
and
pour
conviction
moi,
when you're in phase
c'est
one.
la base fondamentale.
That's really the base.
Conviction.
Basics. You
Alors,
need to have this
Pour
conviction.
moi, les convictions, il y en a 3
And
très
you have
importantes.
3 types of convictions.
La première, notre
The
industrie,
very first one, the industry.
l'industrie du marketing de réseau.
MLM.
Ma conviction,
Network
le
marketing.
timing parfait en
And
Europe.
then the best timing we can have here.
Vous avez réalisé ce qui se
Do
passe
you
actuellement en France?
realize? Do you realize what's going on
You
right
see
now
the-
in France, in Europe, everywhere?
Gilet yellow.
Oh, the yellow, you know,
You
You've
see?
seen in France. Huh?
Ok,
I'm sure
vous
you
avez vu
watch
ça en
TV.
France?
You've seen
Ça
that.
sera partout en Europe.
Everybody very upset.
Tous les plus grands experts de la planète,
It's going to be the same thing
tous les plus grands économistes au
all
monde
the experts on the planet are
parlent
telling
de
you
notre industrie.
that there is no
Celle du
more.
marketing de réseau.
This is the future
Ma
of this
conviction.
industry. This is my conviction.
Lorsqu'on regarde un match de football,
When I'm watching a soccer
lorsque tu
game,
vois Neymar jouer au
when
ballon,
you see Neymar playing football,
il gagne 3 millions d'euros par mois.
he's making 3 million a month.
Et il a beaucoup de fans. Waouh, oui, oui.
There's a lot of people watching him
No,
and
Neymar,
clapping
oui.
for him.
For me, no make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
3 million.
3 million
For
for
me,
Neymar
makes
to
sense.
play football like this, to me, it
Simon
doesn't make
Abud
sense.
is my Neymar, he trained for me to have a success. I prefer network marketing.
Wow, bravo!
Lorsque j'entends aujourd'hui
When I listen to that,
des gens qui me parlent tout simplement de dans le marketing de réseau, est-ce que vous savez qu'on a la chance d'avoir les meilleurs leaders de la planète dans notre industrie?
do you know that you have the best leaders of the industry here in ACN?
La deuxième des convictions, c'est la compagnie dans laquelle
Second
vous êtes.
conviction that you have to have is you.
Dans les 4 phases du
The
marketing
company
de
you
réseau,
are working with.
vous allez vivre des gens qui arrêtent, vous allez vivre des gens
Because you are going to see some people who are going to quit.
Qui
You are
vont
going
nous
to
appeler
see
pour d'autres marketing de réseau.
some people who are going to have success.
Et moi, j'ai eu beaucoup de challenges avec ACN.
I had a lot of challenges in ACN
Mais
in my
lorsqu'on
life.
regarde en arrière, c'est pas des challenges.
But when I see what happened with us 11 years, that was not really challenges.
La conviction d'ACN, elle est très simple.
My conviction with ACN,
Il y a juste même pas 2 semaines, j'étais à Nantes.
well, two
Nantais.
weeks ago I was in Nantes, I was in Brittany,
Un des gros leaders
when one of the biggest leaders there,
d'une autre compagnie de marketing
from
de réseau,
another company of network
m'a envoyé des
marketing,
messages pour me
who was
recruter, me
sending
proposer des
me some
choses.
messages, you know, just to recruit
Bon.
me in
Comme
another company.
Non, je réponds pas.
I don't even
Et
answer.
quand j'arrive à Nantes, mes
When
représentants me
I
disent
come to Nantes,
waouh, on a un leader qui nous appelle, qui veut nous recruter.
my IBOs tell me there is somebody who wants to recruit us.
Ok, passe-moi le téléphone.
Well, give me the phone, give me your
Je
phone,
vais
I'm
appeler
going
en
to
live.
tell him. And I talk to
Quelle
him.
est ma conviction à moi dans le marketing
Because
de
I
réseau?
have my conviction of network marketing and of ACN.
Première des choses,
Very first thing,
lorsque quelqu'un me dit
when somebody is telling me,
moi, ça fait 15 ans que je fais du MLM.
well, that's 15 years I'm doing MLM.
Waouh, 15 ans.
Ooh, 15 years.
Oui, là, j'ai trouvé la meilleure des entreprises au
Well,
monde du
I
marketing de réseau.
found the best company in network marketing.
Waouh.
Ooh, 15 years.
Tu viens juste de trouver ta
And just
compagnie.
now you found the best company the last 15
Oh, me, I
years.
am lucky I found when I start.
Ouais, moi je suis désolée. Moi j'ai trouvé dès que j'ai démarré, j'ai trouvé la meilleure compagnie.
Number 2,
Bravo!
conviction for ACN.
Number two, conviction in
Ok, quand quelqu'un me parle, par exemple, il me dit Nassim,
Nassim, somebody's talking to
une
you.
meilleure opportunité.
The best company,
C'est
the
le
best
timing.
opportunity, that's the best
Quel
timing.
est le timing?
I said, what kind of
Il
timing?
me dit on va être les premiers.
We're going to be the first ones.
Je dis ok, j'ai pas eu besoin de démarrer en 93 à Seine pour réussir.
But I tell them, I didn't have to start in 93 to have success.
Et là, les gens me disent qu'est-ce que tu vends? Des produits.
And then people are asking me,
Des
what do you
cosmétiques.
sell?
Des gens
Products?
qui parlent de traîneurs de trading.
And people are talking me about
He's
trading.
not trader. He's a training or training or training or trader or training.
Well,
No, he's
actually,
trader.
that's training the traders, yes?
11 years.
11 years.
Just one thing.
That's one thing.
My phone.
My phone, mon téléphone, en 11 ans, continue de sonner.
Quand quelqu'un veut me recruter,
When somebody
je lui
is
dis
calling me,
qu'est-ce qu'on fait ensemble?
I'm going to tell him what
Au
are we going to
téléphone.
do together.
Je suis payé dessus.
What you say, well, you know what? My phone, I'm being paid on that.
When you don't have charge, you charge.
Quand vous n'avez plus de batterie, vous
ACN
chargez.
pay me.
Eh bien, ça vous paye.
Now,
Maintenant.
you vision,
Vous avez la vision,
insurance.
l'assurance.
Pay
L'assurance me paye.
Now, when I see UK and
Quand je
Novia,
vois en Angleterre,
one
on est
day
à
you
Novia.
pay with card,
Eh bien, vous allez payer
ACN
avec la
pay
carte.
me.
ACN va vous payer.
Can you imagine?
Est-ce que vous
In
imaginez
the network
dans
marketing,
le marketing de réseau,
timing,
le timing que l'on peut avoir aujourd'hui avec ACN,
energy timing in Europe
l'énergie,
is
ce
not
timing de
in 10
l'énergie,
years, it's
c'est
right
pas
now.
dans 10 ans,
It's
c'est
now. It's the
maintenant,
timing.
c'est le meilleur
I don't
timing.
have the opportunity for this timing 10 years ago.
Je n'ai pas eu cette opportunité de ce timing
Timing
à
is
10 ans.
fixed line.
Le timing à l'époque,
Conviction for
c'était la
industry.
ligne fixe, la conviction.
Industry,
Dans
the
l'industrie,
company,
dans la compagnie.
and the three conviction
Et
is you.
surtout, la meilleure des convictions, la plus importante, c'est dans vous.
Believe in you,
Pensez à vous,
And
croyez en vous.
after value, if you have just
La
conviction,
valeur que vous avez.
if you have just conviction,
Si vous avez seulement la conviction, ça suffit pas.
conviction with value.
Mais il faut avoir la
Value.
conviction et votre
Why
valeur.
I
Et les
follow the
valeurs.
founder. I have
Les
two companies in my
valeurs.
life.
J'ai eu 2 sociétés dans ma vie.
8 years, one condition, technician,
J'étais technicien dans la climatisation
stop, block me.
et j'ai pas pu évoluer.
I find ACN.
J'ai trouvé ACN.
The problem with
Le
ACN
problème avec ACN,
is unlimited.
il n'y a pas de problème, c'est illimité.
When you think you finish, you
Quand vous
win,
pensez que vous avez gagné,
you have one guy saying on a good score.
il y a toujours quelqu'un comme
And
Simon
tell you
qui
the
arrive et qui
leadership.
vous dit mais non, tu viens juste de
Yes,
démarrer.
phase one, I go in
Et moi,
Colombia,
je
boom.
retourne en phase 1 en
and now I
Colombie,
come
je
back
sors
to
un
Canada,
senior
phase
vice-président.
one, boom.
Et je vais retourner au Canada, je vais sortir encore un senior vice-président.
Impossible
C'est
for me.
impossible pour moi.
I see ACN 10 years after,
Il y a 10 ans plus
like
tard,
all the world,
avec tout le
and I
travail
see
qu'on a
maybe
fait,
Simon Abud also say yes.
et je ne peux pas imaginer
in
Simon
China now,
qui
I
va...
have
Oh si, je l'imagine
thousands-
partir en
Can you
Chine.
imagine? Conviction,
La conviction,
ça entrave de l'enthousiasme.
that's going to bring you some
Lorsque vous êtes convaincu de
enthusiasm.
la scène, tout devient facile.
When you have focus with the
Ça,
anything becomes
pourquoi?
possible.
Les gens vont suivre par votre
Because
enthousiasme.
people are going to follow you because you're enthusiastic.
Lorsque j'avais plus de conviction,
Because you have a lot of
au
conviction.
départ, mes appels, ça donnait ça.
At the beginning, when the people were calling me,
Ouais,
I was,
tu peux venir.
oh, could you
Non, tu
come
peux pas
to my
venir.
meeting?
Ok, c'est pas grave, la
No,
semaine
you
prochaine.
cannot come. Oh, no.
Lorsque j'avais
Bah,
des convictions avec
No,
ACN,
not bad, you will come next week. But when I had the
lorsque
conviction,
quelqu'un me disait non, je suis pas venu à
when
ta
somebody
réunion,
was telling me no, I can come. I
t'es
said,
pas venu,
well,
t'as
you
rien
don't
compris,
know. You understood
tu vas le
nothing.
regretter.
You're going to regret
Faites
it and a
peur aux
hunger.
gens de ne pas vous suivre.
Well,
Like
they
Forrest Gump.
have to have the
You know
fear
Forrest
not
Gump?
to follow you.
Forrest Gump, bam,
You
bam, bam,
remember
bam,
Forrest
bam.
Gump?
And people follow Forrest Gump. You know why?
He was running
Because
and people
Forrest
were
Gump
following him.
mindset.
Because
You
he
know,
had a
when you have
he had a
conviction
mindset.
for
Once
network
you have
marketing for this industry, for you,
network marketing,
and value,
conviction in you,
enthusiasm,
and
action,
ACN, then
net
you have
work,
the action.
marketing,
It's
network.
network.
It's not net
Marketing.
sleep marketing.
C'est
I
pas
remember when I
on
started ACN,
s'endort.
people say sometimes,
Les gens me disent des
wow,
fois,
but network marketing is you are multimillionaire.
mais le
you don't
marketing
make
de
nothing.
réseau, il y a des multimillionnaires, il y a plein de gens qui gagnent rien.
Hard
Mais
worker.
c'est pas ça, ce
Big
sont des gens qui
vision.
travaillent
Big
fort,
worker.
des gens qui vont rêver fort, qui vont
L'action
gagner
chez
beaucoup
ACN, je parle
d'argent.
aux gens. Quand vous allez passer à l'action, vous allez avoir du résultat.
When you're going to talk to people, you're going to
premier
take action,
chèque que
you're
j'ai
going to
fait,
have result.
il y avait
The very
130 euros.
first check I had, only
Quand j'ai
130
vu les
euros.
130 euros,
When I
waouh!
started 130 euros, I
Mon
was so
enthousiasme
happy
a
because
grossi.
I was
Ma
so
conviction a
enthusiastic.
grossi.
I knew
Et quand ma
that
conviction a grossi,
it works.
mon enthousiasme, mon action.
And then,
Et derrière, en fait,
after
qu'est-ce qui
that,
s'est
you had
passé?
the action.
C'est à ce moment-là que j'ai compris une seule chose qui fait
Then
tout.
I realized one thing.
Et les gens vont suivre par votre attitude, par l'urgence et l'enthousiasme que vous allez développer.
Follow you because
Je
of
vais
your attitude.
vraiment venir plus de concret sur mon histoire, comment j'ai vécu ces phases.
I need to tell you about
Lorsque
my
je découvre
story.
la scène,
When
je suis
I discovered
à 500
ACN,
km de chez moi.
that was 500 kilometers
I see the
away.
residual come, I come back in Paris,
Et
and when
j'ai vu le revenu résiduel, je suis retournée sur
I
Paris.
see Google, you know, ACN,
Et je suis allée sur Google.
2008,
En 2008.
I call Saïda, I don't stop.
Et j'ai appelé la personne que j'avais rencontrée, je lui ai dit, mais non,
She
je
said
vais
to
pas
me,
donner
go
ce
to
truc.
regional event. I say, I
Je suis allée
go,
sur un événement régional, j'ai dit, je vais y aller.
but I not stop.
Mais j'ai pas démarré.
Because I see people say, Nassim, I know ACN,
Parce que je
1 year
voyais des
ago.
gens qui me disaient, mais non, mais moi je connais ACN, ça marche
I
pas.
don't make money with
Mais
ACN.
je fais pas de fric avec ça.
And me, I say, Saïda,
Et moi
I
j'ai
know
dit,
people
attends
don't make
Saïda,
money
c'est
with
pas
this.
possible, c'est quoi cette histoire-là?
But like football.
Comme le foot.
It's impossible. You see friends want to go to football. You say, hey, no go in football. I know one guy going football. You know.
Vous savez, quand vous avez un gamin qui veut démarrer, vous allez lui dire, non, mais tu vas pas aller jouer au foot, il y en a plein qui gagnent pas, il y en a plein qui réussissent pas.
I see one guy SVP say,
Et j'ai vu
tout le
une
monde peut
personne
faire.
qui a dit,
Bam!
I saw one guy who said, well, everybody can do it.
After I started ACN phase 1,
And then I studied ACN,
and I see Just Fix Line,
et c'était que la phase 1, et c'était que la ligne
I
fixe.
say to Saïda, I
Et
have
j'ai
many
dit à
people.
Saïda, j'ai beaucoup de gens qui vont venir.
And one guy said to me, Nassim, I think you is easy when you start ACN.
Et un gars m'a dit,
Wow.
je pense que pour toi ça va être facile quand tu vas
20
démarrer.
people,
20 personnes.
just two in my
Il y
city.
en a deux.
Everybody's
Mais
negative.
tout le monde était négatif dans ma
And
vie.
this time I say, Saïda, me, I am
Alors
okay.
là, j'ai dit à Saïda, tu sais moi c'est pas
But
grave.
my network is
Mais
bad.
tout mon
My
réseau est
network
pas
don't
bon.
want.
Mais mon réseau ne veut
Saïda
pas.
said to me, go in international event.
tu
I
dois
go
aller à une convention
international event. I see
internationale.
for my first time international event.
Et pour la première fois,
I
j'ai
don't know exist this system.
et j'ai vu
I
le
don't know
système.
exist the like Greg Provenzano say.
Je ne connaissais
I grew
pas
up in
encore tout
Detroit.
ça.
I grew up in a modest area.
Je suis née vraiment dans un endroit très simple.
Et Greg Provenzano
Et
say,
comme Greg Provenzano a dit,
can you imagine we
vous
build
pouvez imaginer
15 years,
que dans
can you
15 ans,
imagine the next 15 years?
dans les 15 prochaines années,
Believe me,
croyez-moi,
I just, wow.
j'ai dit, waouh, ça, c'est
Okay,
pour
I
moi.
come back,
Je suis
bam,
revenue, boum,
phase one.
phase
What is
une.
phase one?
Après
I
la
understand,
promotion, phase une,
just
à
two
fond,
people,
à fond.
just two people,
Juste
not
deux
all my
personnes.
city,
De
because
toute ma ville.
with these two people it's phase one, I
Avec
build
ces
my
deux personnes, si on est en phase
I
une,
come back in France
je
with
peux pas
national
sortir
event,
un peu.
national
Et
event,
on a
is the
fait
best
un événement
event for me.
national en France. C'est
And
ça
after
la
national
clé,
event,
les événements nationaux, internationaux.
Si tu veux, je le fais en anglais, comme ça, reste pas beaucoup de temps. I speak in French, it's okay? Yeah! Okay. When I come back, okay, when I come back, sorry, because my English is when I come back, you know why? Success, I am early,
J'ai
I
dit
make
tout ça,
money,
mais-
my mother say, quick job,
J'ai dit à ma femme,
wow,
je vais arrêter mon boulot.
new ACN, boom!
Ma mère était folle, boum.
And people say to me, Nassim,
Et les gens
crazy,
m'ont dit,
I come
mais
back,
Nassim
yes,
est
I'm
complètement
crazy.
fou. Oui, je
But
suis
now
fou.
ACN pay me more
Mais
my
ACN
job.
paye plus que
And
mon
I
boulot
have
régulier.
my owner. After this,
Et là-
you know what? Bam! My upline called me, say, Nassim, I have enough opportunity. The license is just €8. I said, wow, value. I said to this guy 2 weeks ago, you come with my friend, you see to my friend, yes, ACN, and now 2 weeks after, you see another opportunity, I don't like you. Listen to me, when I say one word, I focus this is word, because value. And after, okay, and after this, you know, j'ai eu ma première vaccination,
I got my first injection.
et j'avais eu Françoise qui m'a dit, Nassim, tu sais, des gens comme ça, t'en verras pas un, pas deux. Des gens qui pensent que
When I
l'herbe...
said my first injection, that was the first guy who said no, and I was very, very negative and quit it. And I told him on the phone, you know, you're not going to have only one who is going to quit. You are going to have hundreds in our organization who are going to quit.
Okay, ensuite, after this, I come back, sorry, after this, I have listened the word and I see my inspiration, like leader of ACN. You have the same story? Yes. You have success after? Yes. Okay for me. I come back and I understand what? Personal development. I see Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill say success, loyalty, success, longevity. I see also, you know, in network marketing, the mindset. If you think big, you create big, and you finish big. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. And after number 1 Europe, wow, big success. I'm very happy. I understand phase one is a success. After this, you know what? After this, also, my team is in phase 2 and 3, and I don't understand this. When I start, I'm in phase 1, and after I see my team not in phase 1. After this, convention, international. I understand my team need the same vision of me, because the system ACN is big. After this, I come back regional vice president. But after this, in France, spécialement pour la France, big challenge. Media, negative with ACN. After this, you know what? I see a real slap. I see a conviction big. When I see this, my production down, and I see one thing. Wow, I don't have new rep, but the 0.9 before the presentation ACN, residual income is here. Wow, I never stop ACN just for this. If I am in network marketing with industry product, if I have challenge, finish. But with ACN, if you have challenge, service continue. You understand? Understand my best advice with ACN. After this, when I understand this, I understand also. You know, Robert Kiyosaki say, what is the best company in network marketing industry? What is the criteria for the best company? Is the best leader to build the leader? Is the best system to build the leader? Who is the company build the leader? If you know network marketing in Europe, all the leaders come back to ACN. You understand? The best leader is in ACN. ACN produces the leader. When the company called me to say, Nassim, we pay you to come back. I say, if I go with you, you pay me, your company is no good. Because you know build the leader, you pay the leader. You understand this? It's very important.
Yes.
After this, I see what? I see the first season to G1. And I'm sorry for the time. I see vision. I remember we're excited with the Visophone, with Vodafone, with the Visophone Future. Wow, wow, wow! Very good excitement. After this, bam. You know why? Because Apple, FaceTime, also a new technology, and me, no vision at this time. Wow. Where is your income? I see my Cupid Paris. My Cupid say to me, eyes to eyes, Nassim, now you see ACN. But believe me, one day we have energy, we have internet, it's not possible at this time. And today, can you imagine in France? Regardez en France tout ce qu'on a maintenant. After this, I come back just with vision, back, phase one. Understand this? After this, come back, SVP. After this, challenge also. What is now my Russian mountain? Because I see the last year, UK. I remember I have a rep come to UK, phase 4. You say, no, UK, it's not possible. After this, I see one guy, phase 1, bam. You look, UK, are you here? I start before. He's not in my team. I have boom. You understand this? After this, Spain, boom. And now, if you see ACN, sorry for my time. Okay. Now the timing with ACN, I speak directly with you. This is the fourth season ACN. First season ACN. You know, first season to gym run. You have summer, you have winter, and also the rest. But the most important with ACN, at the end, I want to speak with you just phase 1, not just phase 1 in ACN, but in the life. The life is phase 1. Europe is in phase 1. I am in phase 1. The founder is in phase 1. All the leaders in phase 1. I want to speak with you. Come back in your city. Next year, Rotterdam, big phase 1. Because Europe, when you come back in your city, you see the TV, you see the reality of ACN.